from the kids' bathroom. It's a little dirty, and underneath the cabinet is just a wreck. I organized it and they have got it back just disheveled. So I wanted to take you along with me when I clean it all up and reorganize the drawers and underneath the sink. I hope it's not too echoey in here. I've got the door closed just to kind of drown out some of the sound outside of the bathroom. First thing we're gonna do is take down the shower curtain and throw it in the dirty clothes. The girls gave the dogs baths the other day, and there's mud and stuff all over my shower curtain. So before I get into it really deep, I wanted to show just what everything looks like, because it is actually dirty. Like, if you just kind of glance, it might not seem like it's that dirty, but it is dirty. It needs to be clean. There's random stuff everywhere. My son's toothbrush is on the counter. It is looking horrible, so I went and grabbed another head for that. There's water bottles and just stuff. The drawers are disgusting. They have destroyed the insides of those, so I'm gonna clean up all of that. They each have their own drawer, and then they have the top drawer that's supposed to just have stuff that they share in it. So I'm gonna go through each one of these, clean and organize those, and then I'm going to reorganize underneath here because it is a hot mess. Quick break to fix me and the girls some lunch. We're just having this leftover pizza from last night. This was one of the sourdough recipes that I've done in a previous video. I think that video will be up before this, but they turned out really good. But we're just gonna have that left over. But what I was wanting to share with you was this super quick and easy ranch recipe. I don't eat dairy, and I just mix this together, and I'm probably living under a rock and you probably already know about this, but I'm gonna show you how to mix up some just homemade ranch vegan style. So I've already put a couple of tablespoons of filtered water into this, and I'm not one for measurements. I'm just kind of like just see how it looks kind of person. So I'm just gonna do a couple of tablespoons of this veganese. This is like the best vegan mayonnaise. A couple of shakes of salt. The last time I made it a little bit too salty, so I'm gonna go light-handed on that. Some garlic, onion powder, dill. I like a lot of dill. This was so good last night. I made it last night for myself, and my kids like devoured it. And then just some apple cider vinegar. Okay. And then you're just going to basically mix all of this together. I've gotten it a little bit too runny, so I'm going to add another, so I was going to add some nutritional yeast, but I'm thinking that I'm just going to add another little, probably tablespoon of mayonnaise, probably a little bit more than a tablespoon, just to kind of thicken it up. I don't want it to be too runny. I'm not sloshing it everywhere. I'm trying to do this quickly. That's probably a better consistency. I may still add some nutritional yeast in it just for the nutritional part of it, but this is like the best. Like, you just keep, last night I done it with a fork, but you just keep whipping it or mixing it until it's as smooth as you would like it.